also. This one is so cute. Like, look! Nilalagnat po ako. Pero now, what I'm gonna do is mag-readings ako, like 1 readings to do before I go. I'm done studying. Pero, wala pa ako natapos sa task ko. Pero, gawin ko lang siya mamaya. Ngayon, I'm done doing the makeup. Or anyways, sana hindi ako mamatay mamaya. Picturean ko lang itong mga
Hi!
pwede ko ma-zoom, sayang. Wow! Asan?
Judging. No, we're not judging.
Judging people.
Judgmental.
It's like a day in the life as an ABM student.
A day in the life as a qualified student.
Hindi na kaway sa mga
Nagabay kami ngayon ng boba.
Worry ako this quarter sa third quarter namin. Kasi second quarter na ako. Nagkakawin ako ulit student.
I'm doing my essay, guys.
Yobo! It's ako yung
I'm gonna die.
princess. Ako be! I need hugs. Namumema ako.
Dang!
Oh my god. Look at the beautiful view of Veranza.
For real.
Oh my god. We're going to eat na. And it was a very, very successful day.
Yeah, successful event. Let's go.
Let's go. Oh yeah. Shit.
Hello, we're on a car.
Alis na kami. Ano bang cute-cute ni Althea. Ah! Life update.
Proof of life.
Wala pa nag-message mother ko. So it's okay lang.
Lola, repeat juice.
Nakatry lamig.
Kayo sa Baswak sa after ng event.
After ng event.
After event party.
We're playing Tekken, guys. We're here.
Sabihin mo mo.
Tapos may bigyaran
Pwede
dyan.
lang mag-uwi. Okay, celebrate kasi
Tapos,
kami ngayon.
yeah. We're playing
Mamaya
Tekken.
ko na lang mag...
Oo.
It's
Ihatid
already
mo na rin
10
ako ng organizer namin.
Miss na namin ang aming mga crush. Yan! So like, yeah. Gawit na lang kami ma-vacant bigyaran.
Tapos gawait na lang rin kami na
I-crush back
si Art.
Gawit na lang kami na i-crush back or real.
At mention at
Crush. At crush
at
is.
crush.
It's so cold, guys. Like,
So
Ano ba
different
yun?
sa aesthetic mo, like Lolita, Ket, sino
uh,
nag-aiwa?
like it's very,
Diba? Very cool.
very,
Like kani. Walay tas dili na.
lahi ko yung aesthetic sa kong nails ug sa kong ano.
Diba? Contrast.
It's emphasis. Like, tingnan mo yung nails ko. It's so clean na coated. Tapos yung outfit ko pang elfa
Elfa
pa.
ba?
It's so cute.
So guys, karoon na. Naayos yung pag-anay ni Ayos ay wala lang natin. Really, really, please, please, prove them right. Feel ko Johnson's name.
Bro, what is that?
This is the right way to apply the
Makeup tutorial po ba yan?
So, dapat tap, 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 tap.
Kaya ka. Yan. Dandahan lang. Hulog ko lang.
Guys, did you know na ay sumbaganay sa gawas na mga suparang yan.
We won, guys! We won! Guys, it's already 11:12.
Yeah, it's really 11 and we're
I don't know, wala. Ito nakaabot sa 11-11.
Dili, ay, wala na may maulian.
Hi guys.
Oh, are so scary. So guys, it's already 11 plus. And I hope my parents won't know me. And sana may mauwian pa ako. You know, live your life to the fullest. Life update. It's like already 11:56 p.m. And it's sana may mawian pa ako. I'm worried, guys, and I have a task to submit.